Hello students, for class 9, in this video I am going to explain factorization of polynomials. Factorization of polynomials. So the chapter is polynomials and the subtopic is factorization. Subtopic is factorization. Factorization. First, I will explain here what is the meaning of factorization. To express a given polynomial as the product of polynomials each of degree less than that of the given polynomials, such that no such a factor has a factor of lower degree, is called factorization. Okay? So what is factorization? To express a given polynomial as the product of polynomials each of degree less than that of the given polynomials, such that no such a factor has a factor of lower degree, is called factorization. For example, suppose x square minus y square. This is a polynomial. If we are writing this polynomial as x plus y into x minus y, this is called factorization of the polynomial. Similarly, suppose another polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. This is the polynomial. Now, if we are writing this polynomial as x minus 3, x minus 2, then these two polynomials, their product gives this polynomial, and further factorization of each polynomial is not possible. So this is called factorization. When we factorize, we follow certain algebraic identities. Now here I am giving you some algebraic identities. Okay, so algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. Now, in algebraic identities, first, number 1, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Number 2, x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Number 3, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Number 4, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Number 5, x plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then 6, x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. 7, x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. 8. In 8, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Then 9. In 9, x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. And number 10, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, then x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. And if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xy z. These are some algebraical identities which are used in maximum. Now, methods of factorization. Methods of factorization. There are so many ways to find the factors. I am taking the name of some, like common factors by grouping the terms, factorization by making a perfect square, difference of two squares, quadratic polynomials by splitting the middle term, square of a trinomial, cube of binomial, factorization of sum or difference of cubes, factorization of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, factorization of algebraic expressions of the type x cube plus y cube plus z cube when x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So, one by one, I will discuss the method. So, first method, number 1, factorization by taking out common factors. So, common factors method. Common factors method. Now, what is common factors method? Common factors method, when each term of an expression has common factor, we divide each term by this factor and take it out as a multiple. Like 9x square plus 12xy. First, let us find out what are the common factors present here. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 3 is present here. X square x. So it is also present here. So 3x, if we are taking out, it means we are dividing each term by 3x. So 9x squared divided by 3x, 3 are 9, x squared divided by x is x, plus 12xy divided by 3x, so 3 4s are 12, 4, x divided, then it is cancelled, so y remains, y. So 3x bracket 3x plus 4y, this is the factor. So we express this term as the product of two polynomials. So this is factorization method. In lower classes, in class 8, 7, 6, you have done few factorization method. Now number 2. Grouping the terms. Grouping the terms. Now, grouping the terms, what is the method? The terms of the given expression are grouped in such a way that the common factor become possible. Let us see one example. Let us take one example. Like x square plus 3x square, it will be x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 3. So, by this grouping terms, by this method, we have to factorize the expression. What to do? So first let us make the group x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 3. This is the group. This is equal to, now from x cube plus 3x square, like this. What is the common factor? Common factor is x square, because x cube and x square. So x square. So x square is common, then this is x plus 3 plus, in this two term, what is common? 1 is common. So x plus 3. Now what we see, these two terms are common. So again x plus 3 is taken common. Then what remains here? X square. What remains here? 1. So x plus 3 into x square plus 1. Factors, two factors of the given polynomial. So this is called grouping the terms. Method, grouping the terms. Then third, factorization by making a perfect square. Factorization by making a perfect square. Factorization by making a perfect square. Now, what is the method? Let us take one example. Suppose we have the expression a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2ac minus 2bc. Suppose we have this expression, we have to factorize. Now let us see a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is similar to x square plus y square minus 2xy. For this expression we can write x minus y whole square. So similarly for this expression we can write a minus b whole square. So we are writing a minus b whole square for a square plus b square minus 2ab minus. Now there are two terms remaining, 2ac, 2bc. What is common? 2c is common. So 2c. When 2c is taken out, there remains only a, then minus into minus plus. 2c is taken out, it is only b. Clear? It is only b. This term is actually plus. So minus, plus minus minus b. So what we have now, a minus b whole square in the first term. In the second term, a minus b. So a minus b is present in both. So we have taken out a minus b. Then out of 2 I have taken 1. 1 remains. So a minus b. Then what is the sign? Plus. If we are taking a minus b, what remains? 2c. So plus 2c. So what we get, this expression is expressed as the product of two terms, a minus b and a minus b plus 2c. So this is called factorization. Then method 4. Method 4, factorizing the difference of two squares. The difference of two squares. So this is the method. Let us explain this one by taking one example. Say, here I would like to say, we are going to use here the identities x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y, or x plus y into x minus y. Okay, we are going to use that one. Now I am giving you, taking one example, explaining this. 25x square minus 64y square. 25x square means 5x whole square minus 8y whole square. So this is similar to the term x square minus y square. Difference of two squares, x square minus y square. What we know? X minus y into x plus y. So x minus y, that is 5x minus 8y. X plus y, 5x plus 8y. So factorization is done. So by using the identities x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y, we have to factorize this one. Next, quadratic polynomials by splitting the middle term. This is called middle term method. So, middle term method. Now, middle term method, factorization by middle term method. Let us explain one. X square plus 11x plus 30. First, here x square means 1x square. Let us multiply the coefficient of the extreme terms. Only numbers. So 1 into 30 is 30. Now let us write 30 as the product of two numbers. 2 into 15, 30. 3 into 10, 30. 5 into 6, 30. 1 into 30, 30. Now we have to see in which of the factors, as it is written as the product of two numbers 30 is written, in which of the following four factors, whenever the factors are added or subtracted, it gives 11, the middle term. That is why this is called the middle term method. Now 2 plus 15, 17. 15 minus 2, that is 13. No. 3 plus 10, 13. 10 minus 3, this is 7. No. 5 plus 6, 11. Coming. 1 plus 30, 31. The difference is 29. So only in this case this is possible. So we can write this as x square plus 11x means we can write 6x plus 5x, because 5 into 6 or 6 into 5 whatever may be, plus 30. Now grouping from the first two, what is common? X is common. So x plus 6. From the next two, what is common? 5 is common. So x plus 6, 6, 5, 30. So x plus 6, x plus 6. If these two terms are same, then the sum is correct. X plus 6, then here remains x, here remains 5. So x plus 6 into x plus 5. So this is called middle term factor. I have mentioned there method of factorization, that is 10 methods. Today I have discussed 5 methods. In my next video, I will explain the remaining 5 methods. Okay.